everyone. In today's hug, I'm going to show you how I make a protein pudding. All right, so last week I showed you guys how I make this wheat belly El Ruteri yogurt. Well, now I'm going to show you how I actually eat it. So today is going to be one of the many ways, and then I'll show you a little variation as well. So the first thing I do is each of these containers has a cup of yogurt, and a serving size is a half a cup. So I just draw a line in it with my spoon, scoop it out, and put it in a bowl. And you can see it's about half of the cup. Okay, save this for tomorrow. Then I put protein powder. Today I'm gonna do my favorite coffee protein powder, and I do a full scoop because then it has 20 grams of protein. So the yogurt is mostly fat because it's made with half and half. And I like to get lots of protein, so I put in a whole scoop of that. Next, I add a tablespoon of flax seed, okay? So I buy the flax whole, and then I grind it myself just to fill about half of this container because it takes time to grind, and I just like to have it readily available. So I just take about a tablespoon of flax. And the reason that I do that is because it's high in omega-3s. It also helps mop up estrogen that's in your body, like excess estrogen that we just get from things like plastics and scented candles and cleaning products and these phytoestrogens that accumulate in our body. That's why I do flax a few times a week, because it mops it up and then eliminates it for you. Next, I need to make it a little bit more liquidy because the yogurt is so honkin' thick that it's hard to stir up the protein in flax. So this is homemade kefir. And I just add probably a couple tablespoons total. And then I mix it up. So another variation I'll do is sometimes I use chocolate protein powder and maybe some berries. So strawberries, blueberries, something like that. But if I do the coffee, it doesn't taste very good with fruit, so I just put the flax in. I've done it with chia seeds and hemp seeds, and sometimes I'll add nuts, but today I'm just gonna go with the coffee and the flax, okay? And now you can see it's more like a pudding consistency, a little thinner and much easier to eat. Now the reason I like this brand of protein powder is because it's clean. It's made with grass-fed beef protein. Now, most protein powders you're gonna get are gonna be like a whey, that's the most popular, or you can have a pea protein, which is like a vegetarian or a vegan style. Well, the reason I like this one is because 32% of the protein found in meat, chicken, fish, 32% of it is actually utilized. The amino acids are at the right ratio for about 32%. If it's whey, it's only 14%. And if it's vegan, like the pea protein, it's also only about 12 to 14%. So this is actually giving you more bang for your buck, if you know what I mean. The highest utilized protein is eggs. Like a whole egg is at 49%, and that's the highest. So what happens to the other 51%? Well, it gets stored in your body as carbohydrates, okay? And we get plenty of that from all of our other food sources that we want to maximize our protein sources, right? So you want to get it from eggs is my favorite, and then beef or bison rather is my second favorite. Wild salmon is my third, and then everything else comes after that. But this snack is really great because you're getting 20 grams of protein from this and probably about 8 grams of protein from the pudding. So 28 grams of protein total. I call this pudding. This is yogurt. This is what I call pudding. And it's delicious, and it also makes a great dessert. So you don't need to have anything fancy, just this great dessert. The chocolate flavor only has 3 ingredients: grass-fed beef protein, cocoa powder, and stevia. That's it. This one also has Indian dried coffee, salt, stevia, and it has natural flavors, which I just realized, which makes me suspect. So I'm gonna do some research and find out why this one has natural flavors. And I'm also gonna find out what exactly is their natural flavor in that one. So anyway, it's still the cleanest I've ever seen on the market. So I hope you enjoy. All right, let's finish with a big fat juicy hug. Happy Monday. Sending you so much love. Make it a great week, my friends. Bye for now.